We all celebrate every festival with traditional base, elegant bases varieties with the dress codes, right? Yes, my friends, I'm talking about the celebrations. Once again, we are going to celebrate the festival April 14, all the New Year celebrations in the South we do. So for this celebrations, I brought for you the new rich and elegant vibrant colors from the rich silk segment. Today I'm going to show you the silk varieties to share, to give your beloved ones these collections with the color charts where the Kesaria manufacturers has brought for you lovely, amazing silk varieties. My friends, hope you all are safe and doing great. I am your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. As I said, to celebrate this Tamil New Year, the varieties with rich zari and vibrant colors from the silk varieties, the friendly budget, I brought for you some 1,700 to 2,700 range of factory price, the silk elegant varieties. Here I have a different color charts with new design arrivals for this celebration. Keep watching this video, subscribe the channel. Resellers, dealers, wholesalers, you can take the screenshot and quickly placing an order. You can make your customers happy by selling these collections with a huge margin in the profit. Where these celebrations you will have a sales. So let's see the collections. If you're watching first time this channel, you can subscribe this. You will get regular notifications. The new products launch every day. It gets uploaded from the Kesaria manufacturers under one roof. Sari, lehenga, kurti kits, men varieties, fabrics, matching collections, ready-made blouses, petticoats, inskirts, all kind of varieties you can buy at factory price. Let's see the collections over here. The beautiful, lovely collections, which as I said, some 1,700 to 2,000 range of 2,600 to 700. I'll just start with beautiful, lovely color. I have onion pink with the Banarasi concept. Very beautiful pallu with a traditional base. In this you can see the stonework pattern over here. You have the code also, you can take a screenshot. You have a matte look finishing of the silver finishing. In this you can find out the Banarasi Siroski stonework. If you want a designer, casual and stylish silk sari, which is very pretty, with the light one of the green color with the magenta color, the heavy peacock work with the designer fancy cut, you can see this sari is also very pretty over here. And this also you can find out the color charts. This also you can find out. If I talk about the traditional, the Tamil Nadu very beautiful south pattern, the checks pattern with the black with maroon color with the thread fancy umbrella tassels over here. The weaving zari you can see over here. It looks very beautiful, lovely texture of the traditional, which is a lovely pattern with the cream color with the matte golden with the black tassel with the red maroon color border. All these collections where you can find out set to set. The color charts are very pretty and very lovely, and the unique designs where you in family, in friends, you can gift and share to celebrate this Tamil New Year. And the color, which is very beautiful, lovely color with the Rani pink with the beautiful bride and groom design which are coated, and the rangoli weaving which has been done here. This is also one of the pattern. If I talk about the lovely color charts, which is very grey with lavender shade with the bottle peacock green, the waves pattern which you can see over the bottom, the border, and you have a checks pattern with the golden copper butta, and the lovely color charts of the waves with the weaving, so which is a copper butta, I can say. This is one of the pattern. All these elegant collections you can find out the beautiful, lovely color charts, and every color chart you have a different varieties. If I talk about the next color with the beautiful lightweight, the silk weaving with the lavender color with the bold pattern with the weaving work designs. This is also one of the pattern, and this also you can find out the tassels. If I talk about the beautiful, lovely pattern with the bandhani concept of the yellow with the Rani pink or magenta with the beautiful concepts with the lovely color with the Rajasthani concepts also, I can say over here, the piping with the heavy concepts of the rich pallu. These all collections you can find out from 1,700 to 2,600 to 2,700 range of silk, elegant, vibrant colors with zari weaving, rich look texture, where you can also celebrate this Tamil New Year on April 14th to sharing, and especially for the resellers. If you are looking to make your customers happy, keep these such collections. Buy at factory price with the right manufacturers, which is located at Doriwala Square building next to Mohan Sweets, opposite to Surat Railway Station, 3 minutes walkable distance from railway station. No need to take any cab or auto person. You can avoid the brokers. You have a just walkable distance you can reach. Hope you enjoyed these kind of rich silk elegant varieties. So before getting out of stock, place an order. Enjoy these collections. Please follow social media pages. Let me know in the comments from which city you're watching the video. Keep mention your name and city. Keep supporting me. Subscribe the channel. Please share, like and follow the link with everyone. Next video we'll meet. Until then, keep supporting. Take care. Bye-bye.